Please use this app responsibly. Watch first and practice later.
This skill, named for the most amazing dancer, Mr. Michael Jackson, is to help us to get ready for leaving the floor and launching for jumps. The challenge that we're trying to learn about here is making a glide, roll forwards through the entire rocker into the teeth of the toe pick with control. So we're going to start by skating very slowly and very gently. I'm going to be moving forward so slow, two-footed, rolling through the toes, bending my knees and up onto the pick, and then let that foot back drop back down into the glide. We're going to twist around and try the opposite direction, rocking up into the picks and back down again. This also allows us to feel the building of momentum coming back down from the picks and how we have to slow down on our way up into the toe picks. A little safety note for this one: when we're brand new to this exercise, we may feel like we lack confidence and we're not sure whether we're going to be able to trust our balance through this motion. It's absolutely fine to come on over by the barrier and try this by the wall. So we would be skating slightly at the wall, gliding in 2 feet, take the wall, rock into the toe picks. Now that I'm standing here by the wall myself, I can have a word with you about this. We need to make sure that our center comes forward and up over those picks. You notice how I've got one foot slightly ahead of the other. A toe pick is a tiny surface area, and by putting one foot slightly ahead of the other, we're actually increasing the surface area available underneath our feet to be able to balance. So it's a good idea to make sure you have your feet slightly one ahead of the other so that we can avoid ourselves missing our picks and swinging backwards. Okay, that's a very unpleasant feeling. So one foot slightly ahead of the opposite one, and then roll forwards into the picks, bending the knees.
Our centre mass spread over that
toe pick space, and then rocking back down again until you feel comfortable to try it away from the barrier.
A single lemon or swizzle is a great way to start, but keep the speed as low as is needed. And rolling up to the picks can either be done in quick succession, one after the other, or together in unison.
I want you to notice some very important points here.
If you ever feel like you need to take a little walk as you execute this skill, pay attention. In this demonstration, the center of mass is put directly over the toe picks, which is actually too far forwards and causes a step forward to compensate. So an important part of this skill is to get the delicate timing right between the bend of the knees and the tipping into the toe picks. So as we move forwards into the toe picks and decelerate with the knees, the center of mass stays a little behind the toe picks so that it never is encouraged to move beyond the toe picks, which would cause that step forward. So every time anticipating the deceleration, the slowing down, and using the knees to help with that.